Do you want to discover the new and incredible, easy fat burning solution that fitness gurus don't want us to know? Eat your favorite meals without giving up the things you love and still lose weight? There is a solution for that. Introducing Keto Breakthrough for men and women over the ages of 50. It is a cookbook with keto recipes where you can enjoy delicious sugar-free, low-carb desserts and food and still be on keto. Now it's finally possible to be on the keto diet without having to sacrifice your favorite desserts and do so conveniently over the age of 50 and beyond. This first of its kind program has already been taste tested by thousands of beta users, and the feedback has been extraordinary. People are finally able to enjoy the pleasure of desserts while getting to the best shapes of their lives. We all know that processed sugar is especially dangerous after the age of 50. So never miss another meal or your favorite desserts again. So with these three cookbooks, you never have to miss a meal. They contain nutrient-rich ingredients that can strengthen your immune system, boost your metabolism, provide youthful all-day energy, improve mental clarity and focus, satisfy that sweet tooth and that sugar craving. So get your cookbook today. Now you can finally enjoy desserts guilt-free.